How to remove app library from your iPhone. Want to remove the app library from your iPhone? Unfortunately, you cannot completely remove or disable app library because it is a built-in iPhone feature. However, you can keep your apps organized on your home screen and prevent apps from being added to the app library unnecessarily. To control where newly downloaded apps appear, open Settings. Tap Home Screen and App Library. Under Newly Downloaded Apps, select Add to Home Screen. This will make newly downloaded apps appear directly on your home screen instead of only being placed in the app library. Also, if you have apps already hidden from your home screen, you can swipe left to access the app library and find them there. So, while there is currently no option to completely remove app library from an iPhone, you can change your home screen settings to make accessing your apps more convenient. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.